When we place a loved one in a nursing home or care facility, we trust that they'll be treated with dignity and respect. One of the clearest and most heartbreaking signs of neglect is something many families don't know to look for: bedsores. I'm David Iversen, an attorney with Kelly Law Team, and today we're talking about a hidden but serious form of elder abuse: bedsores, also known as pressure ulcers. These injuries are not just painful, they're preventable. And when they show up, it often means someone isn't doing their job. Whether it's at a nursing home, assisted living facility, or rehabilitation center, bedsores are a red flag for neglect. Bedsores develop when there's prolonged pressure on the skin, typically in areas like the tailbone, heels, hips, or elbows. They often affect patients who are bedridden or have limited mobility. But here's the key: they're almost always preventable with proper care. That means turning and repositioning the patient every 2 hours, keeping the skin clean and dry, checking for early signs of skin breakdown, and providing adequate nutrition and hydration. When these basic steps aren't taken, pressure sores can develop, and they can quickly turn into deep, infected wounds that may even lead to sepsis or death. Bed sores don't form overnight. They're a sign that a caregiver has ignored warning signs or failed to provide consistent, attentive care. That can mean staff shortages, poor training, inadequate supervision, or in some cases, outright indifference. When a care facility allows a patient to sit for hours in the same position without movement, that's not just bad practice. It may be elder neglect, and it's legally actionable. For families, discovering bed sores on a loved one can be shocking and painful. Many people blame themselves or feel guilty for not catching it sooner. Let me be clear, this is not your fault. You have every right to expect that a care facility will uphold basic standards, and when they don't, you have legal options. At Kelly Law Team, we take these cases seriously. We conduct a thorough investigation that includes reviewing medical records, interviewing facility staff and administrators, consulting medical experts, and examining the facility's history of violations or complaints. We look at whether the facility followed state and federal care standards. If they didn't, we work to hold them accountable, whether that's through negotiation or litigation. Bed sores are not just a medical issue, they're a legal one. If your loved one has suffered from pressure sores in a care facility, don't let it slide. Speak up, document everything, take pictures, and reach out for help. I'm David Iversen with Kelly Law Team. We're here to protect the rights of vulnerable patients and the families who care about them. No one should suffer in silence. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with others who may need it. And if you have questions about elder neglect or suspect abuse, call us today at 602-283-4122 for a free consultation. Let's work together to protect those who can't always protect themselves.